Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a store on Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a store on Shopify, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, tap on Add Store option. On the next page, click on Create a New Store option. Select an appropriate option for questions being asked, or else you can simply skip the process by tapping on Skip option at the bottom right corner of the page. Follow the process till the end, and that's how you will be able to create your store on Shopify quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.